So this is an first code. It is a normal code of the Python. Return name is equal to input, means name is a variable that is input. Enter your name, print hello, and it will print the name. So we will run the output of it. So here it is come, enter your name. So I will write my name Shlok here and I will press enter. So you can see below that hello Shlok, it is written automatically. So it is an basic code. So we will move to an new code. This is an factorial finder. You can see how to find the factorial, that is you can see here the factorial formula of 5. This is an 5, I have written 5 and it is 120 answer. You can see here 120 is the answer. So we will find again by this code. So this is an define factorial. So it is very complicated but it is simple to understand. So I will run, enter number 5. I have enter because we have to enter 5. I have enter not in number, so here we have to enter only 5. Enter 120 is the answer and enter factorial. So here is an we have to put that this one and space. So now it is space and factorial dots coming. 2 factorial we have to find, 2 is 2 only, then we can find of 4, 4 is 24. Like this we can find many factorial. So how to do this code and how I will explain in the next video. Thank you.